Wow.
Yes.
Okay, speaking of that scenario, we're talking about the network now. Lahat ng networks ngayon dito sa Philippines, kahit sa international. What can you say about something na based on your experience through that na tingnan mo lang mabuti bago ka, tinanggal ka nila sa probinsya, pinapunta ka nila sa Maynila, naghintay ka ng matagal, nag-perform ka once, tas after nun sasabihin nila sa'yo, you're good to go. Okay na. Bahala na ulit.
Tatawag ulit.
Ano yung sa tingin mo ba may mali doon? O sa tingin mo ba kaya nilang ayusin yun? Or sa tingin mo ba na meron silang mas easiest way to, to communicate with you and to tell you na ano yung naramdaman mo nung sinabi nga sa'yo na parang ganon? Ano yung pwede mong masabi about that scenario?
Sa akin kasi that time, bro, okay lang sa akin kasi nakikipagsapalaran din ako.
Mismo.
To achieve
Yun yung
my
pinag-uusapan
dreams.
natin kanina.
Nakikipagsapalaran. So, nagsa-start ka pa lang, you have to learn to compensate in any kind of situation. Kasi if you will not be in that kind of situation, how will you appreciate the big thing that will come into your life?
Yes, sir.
So I know the struggles and okay lang. So pagbalik
Okay sa'yo yun.
Okay lang sa akin kasi
Good.
I feel na bad situation or not good,
Good
situation, good situation, lahat sila tugma sa isa't isa eh. Kasi
Experience
parang
mo siya.
nilalagay ako doon na para ma-experience ko yung patience.
Mismo.
Ano ba yung lesson na matututunan mo doon? Be patient sa lahat. Kasi great things don't come easy. Kung marunong kang maghintay, mas malaki din.
Only time can tell kung
Yes.
kailan yung time mo. Yung
Yes.
sinasabi ko kahapon. Kanina,
Yes.
napag-usapan natin, Coach, ano nga yung pinag-usapan natin kanina, yung tinanong mo sa akin about yung, porque alam mo yung value mo.
Oh,
Parang
kasi
ganun.
you said na, sabi ko, meron bang mga nangyayari sa'yo na meron silang ipapagawa sa'yo pagka ini-invite ka nila. It's either guesting or what. Pero meron silang papagawa sa'yo na alam mo na hindi ikaw. Then you sabi mo,
Na once na nailapat mo na yung kung sino ka sa world, kunyari, kagaya nun, yung pag pinagdaanan niya na wala pa man din, pag umarte siya nun, wala nang chance.
Oo, kasi
Pero yung sinasabi ko kasi kanina, Bugs, na nung nag-uusap kami, ang sinabi ko sa kanya, once na alam mo kung saan ka pupunta, alam mo lang din kung ano yung willing mong gawin sa hindi mo willing gawin. Kasi ang nangyayari ngayon, sa lahat ng mga networks ngayon, na parang, ito, tingnan nyo kung mali yung sasabihin ko. Kapag nasa kanila ka, tas inutusan ka nila, dapat wala ka ng say. Most of the time, dapat wala ka ng say. Dapat, kung ano yung sinabi ko sa'yo, ito yung gagawin mo, ito yung songs, ito yung damit, and ito everything. Ako kasi, yung pagkakaintindi ko doon, once na alam mo yung destination mo, alam mo lang din kung alin yung mga guesting or opportunities na makakatulong sa'yo. Once na, kunyari, ang tinanong niya kasi, paano kung babayaran ka ng tamang bayad mo, tapos hindi ikaw yung makikita dun sa ibang kanta, ibang suot, papayag ka ba? Kunyari, sa'yo yun. Kunyari, tatanggalin yung R&B mo, yung forma mo as plain as it can be, and then you're just paid. Are you willing to do
Okay
that
ka ba dun?
for the,
I
for
think
the
it depends
bag
on,
or no?
You have point, but also it depends on your situation.
yan.
Because some other people, they may need this to
Yun.
expose themselves, and then after that,
Yun nga,
they can
mismo.
help themselves
Sige.
as well.
Yan ang
We
question
can
ko.
agree to disagree.
May question ako dyan. When will you know na pwede
Yun
na
yung
ako
time.
mag-ano ng value ko? Na this is who I am.
When you already know what you want.
Same.
Kasi kung nakikipagsapalaran ka pa, you are testing the water. And
Gets.
kailangan mo, it's all about din pakikisama. Kasi kung hindi ka marunong makisama,
Yan. Ganda niya.
come on, there's a lot of people na mamimit natin, na makakahalubilo natin. And that is the one of the main reason kung paano ma-achieve yung kung nasaan ka,
Ano yung gusto mo,
is
yes.
pakikisama as well.
Yeah.
And
So,
then when
tama
you
yung
know what
sinabi
you
mo.
want, then you can create your own thing.
Tama yung
Take
sinabi
this
mo.
as a stepping stone.
Yes. Ang ganda nung sinabi niya na i-follow up ko lang dun yung may mga tao nga na kailangan yun, yung bag. So they're just willing to do anything for the bag. But not for themselves.
Yes.
You know? Ang ganda nung sinabi mo na yun. But I think, yung tanong na ni Coach Paul, kailan mo nga parang masasabi na parang, let's say ganito, alam mo yung gusto mong gawin. Wala kang bag. Nag-offer
Yan.
sa'yo ng ganun.
Yun.
But you know what to do. And you know what you wanted in life. What you want in life. But you don't have the bag. But now, they're offering you the bag with
Ano ba yung
this
the bag?
situation.
Para alam
The
ng
bag
mga-
is the money.
Yan. Oo.
Right? So, wala kang
When
money.
they offer you that bag,
Oh, pero babaguhin nga yung style mo. Kasi nga ito yung kailangan namin sa show. But you know where you want to go. Alam
But
mo na yung nangyayari. Ano ngayon?
as long as
ano yun?
as long as you still have your passion and your drive, you can create your own.
Hindi, kunyari nga, wala kang, ito yung scenario. Alam mo na ito yung gusto mong puntahan. Ito si Bugoy, ito yung gusto ko, ito yung damit ko, ito yung suot ko, ito yung style ko ng pagkanta.
Pero hindi pa
Pero-
ganun ka sikat.
O,
Ba
pero,
ganun?
hindi,
Kunyari.
parang wala akong cash.
Okay.
But now they're offering me the cash, but I have to change my style. Are you willing to, that's my question. Are you willing to, compensate kung sino ka talaga just for the bag? Or, you can just say, maybe next time, because kahit wala
Sagutin
akong,
mo din yan, ha?
sasagutin, kahit na wala akong bag.
Sabi ko
ayun,
nga,
yun,
it
yun,
depends
yun.
on the
Gets mo yun?
situation.
Mm.
Kasi kung
Yun
if
ang
you're going
situation.
to take that bag and also it will help dun sa path na gusto mong gawin, why not take the chances?
Mm-hmm.
We are alive and we can make a lot of chances in ourselves. But this situation, that blessing that in front of you, you can actually get that and use that as your stepping stone. It doesn't mean that they want you to do that certain thing. It doesn't mean that it define you. Kung anong kailangan mong gawin in the long run. Gawin mo siya as a stepping stone. Okay.
So parang willing ka na gawin yung mga bagay na gusto nila ipagawa kahit na feeling
Because
mo
I did
maiiba
that.
yung style mo.
Because I did that.
Yun
in
yung,
my-
ito nga. Ito yung, kaya mo nasasabing I did that. Ginawa mo yun nung
Ginawa ko
wala
siya.
ka pa. Hindi
Yes,
ka pa
'cause
Bugoy.
I know I don't
Ang
have-
sinasabi ko sa'yo ngayon, ikaw na si Bugoy ngayon.
Ngayon,
Now,
yes,
right
yes.
now. And you don't have the money. But they're telling you to change yourself because we will pay you. We'll pay you, but you have to change yourself.
I think if you know yourself and these people really willing to help you, they should
Hindi nila pwede i-adjust. Yun yung story talaga.
hindi kailangan i-adjust.
Hindi nila pwede ibigay kung sino ka. Kung
Then
ano lang
there's
yung
a
gusto
lot of
nila, but
people-
they're gonna give you the money.
Then there's a lot of people that will give that to you and will help you to develop
So
your
are
own
you
self.
willing to say no, or are you just gonna say yes because I needed money?
I will say no. I will say no.
Baba mo yung shirt mo kasi baka sabihin,
Ay, sorry. Di ko
ang
naman
sexy mo eh.
Okay.
Anyway, yun.
Oh, wow. I think I will say no. I will say no.
Even
siguro.
without the money, kahit wala ka ng money,
Kahit wala ng money.
o kunyari kailangan mo ng pera, but you have to change yourself. Just this episode or this project na mawawala si Bugoy.
Pero Bugoy Drilon na siya.
Oh, pero Bugoy
Drilon-
Drilon.
Siya na nga ngayon.
Ngayon na.
But, he doesn't have the money now.
Okay.
Kailangan,
i-change ko lang sarili ko.
Gets.
Kaya ko
willing.
Pero kaya mo ulit kasi
Willing nga.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think I changed
Good,
my answer.
good.
Pwede kasi after that pwede mo ulit i-change yung sarili mo sa kung
Pabalik.
anong gusto mo talaga.
Yun ang-
kasi
yun
kung
ang
walang
tinatanong
wala
ko sa'yo.
ka, you need help to develop yourself again. You have to take some risk as well to help you to develop yourself.
So,
Okay.
so sinasabi mo ngayon, you're gonna go for the money kahit na ikaw na si Bugoy, alam mo yung gusto mong gawin, but I think I need this
I will
amount
not
of
say
money.
that the money. I will take that this is another resources for me to take and to develop myself. Kung ito magiging stepping stone ko doon sa gusto kong
As in,
ma-achieve.
sobrang layo nung yung pagkabugoy.
Kasi lahat naman
natanggal
tayo,
talaga.
Yes, and anytime naman we can change kung ano talaga tayo
Okay.
eh.
Oh, balik
Diba?
na rin
There are
naman
a lot,
na- gets,
we
gets,
have
gets.
a lot
Ganda,
of
ganda,
chances
ganda,
in
ganda.
this
Yes.
life. Diba? So take this chance. If it doesn't work, kung hindi ikaw, but at least the resources that you will get can develop kung ano talaga yung path
Tsaka
na gusto
magkakaroon
mo.
ka ng money for the betterment of yourself. Tama?
Yes, yes.
Balik ta rin naman natin. Follow-up question. Balik ta rin natin.
That's a hard question. though.
Bugoy Drilon ka na.
Okay.
But you have the money.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, you're Bugoy Drilon, you know what to do in life, you know what you want, you have the bag, and now they're offering you a bigger bag.
Maganda to.
A bigger bag na hindi mo kailangan gawin yon because you have the money. Ay, as in money, ha?
Bagay ko gagawin na mayroon na pala akong
Yan,
money.
yun yung sagot
Okay,
niya.
okay.
So, ibig sabihin, tatanggihan mo na ipapaibahin ka nila kasi may pera ka na. I think yun yung time na pwede mong sabihin na, I will just say no because this is me and I have to show myself as Bugoy.
Yes, because at the end
Tama.
of the day, living here, you always have to be your authentic self.
Mm.
Kasi if you will live in a pretentious life, you will never be happy 100%. And that's I've been doing myself slowly.
Eto, ngayon, isa pang question.
Wow, English
Ito pa
yun.
ngayon ang question.
Sasagutin mo din yan, ha?
Ako ba, sasagutin ko yan.
Oo.
Walang problema.
Wow!
Ang isa pang question, dito kasi sa atin, meron nang hindi ikaw, pero mababa pa ang bag.
Sorry, can you...
Sorry. Oo.
Kunyari, ikaw si Bugoy. Alam mo kung saan pupunta. Tapos, sabihin nila, ito pwede mong gawin, pwede mo bang gawin to. Siyempre, hindi mo feel na parang gawin yun. And the same time, mababa yung bag. So, it's a easy no. Or, you will say yes because...
Oh my God, I'm a little bit discombobulated.
Ganito.
Ganito question.
Alam mo, hindi, ang ganda ng hindi, alam nyo, hindi, ang ganda talaga ng pag-uusap natin. Ang masama lang sa loob ko right now. Sabi niya magtatagalog siya eh.
Oo
Sakit
nga,
na ng ilong
nag-English
ko
ako,
eh.
diba? I was carried away. Wow!
Hindi, parang yung gusto ko
Wait lang,
sabihin.
nagulo ako. Can you
Ito, yung gusto ko
repeat the question, bro? Like, wow.
Pansin mo may nag-offer sa'yo.
Oh, may nag-offer
Tapos
sa akin.
ikaw si Bugoy.
Okay.
Because of the exposure, because they won't pay you something na outside show na kung paano sila magbayad, di ba? But they're just offering you their, let's say,
Oh no?
hindi, let's say let's say honorarium lang, tapos ganda nun. Let's say honorarium lang, tapos ang sinasabi nila, this is an exposure for you. Are you gonna grab it or...
Pero ano yung exposure?
Okay,
Naiiba ba
I can
siya?
answer now?
Naiiba ba siya?
Ayun,
O hindi?
kunyari nga, alam mo yung mga offer sa atin?
Okay,
hindi na kasi
I will
natin
answer
pwedeng
that.
pangalanan eh. But I think,
I
yung
will
pinag-uusapan
answer that.
kasi natin ngayon, eto yung mga base sa experiences ko na I think maganda siyang pag-usapan kasi
Yeah.
artist tayo ng Philippines eh. I think meron tayong
I have a
magagawa
better
for the
answer na.
music industry na parang ma-feel nila na parang, hey, hindi lang to about exposure, you know? We have family also to feed and you know, right? Kasi hindi naman pwedeng paglaban mo sa lagi
Gets
na...
ko yung point na yun, pero as an artist to artist speaking, I will take it. Kasi ano ba yung meant natin gawin dito? We just want to share our gift.
Pero nga, iba nga yung papagawa. Okay pa din.
What do you mean? But it's still like...
Mawawala
you
yung
still-
R&B.
Ang point mo,
Iba yung
hindi na yung
papagawa.
hindi
Hindi
na
ikaw.
branding
Hindi na
tapos
branding
wala pang bag. Gets
Are
mo
you
na?
willing to let go of that one day na pwede mong, kunyari may studio ka, pwede kang mag-shoot and then just post it online with the same people na pwedeng makapanood sa'yo?
Okay.
Or you're just doing what you love or you're gonna do this because you think this is the exposure na kailangan natin and this is the only exposure na parang feeling nila kailangan mo yung mga bagay na yon may utak ka nga eh.
Pero sa
Nagets
atin
mo
naman
nga.
kasi kinatanong tayo kung gusto mong gawin o
Kaya nga,
hindi, diba?
kaya nga, yun nga yung tanong ko sa'yo. Kunyari,
Wow.
ako yung tatanong,
Yeah. Wow.
Bugoy, ano ba? Willing ka bang gawin to o hindi? Ano sagot mo?
Pero kung hindi ko kayang gawin, like example, papa-opera or, syempre, bakit ko gagawin? Syempre, hindi.
Hindi, ano lang, ang request ko lang, Bug, sana bawal kumulot. Okay.
But they can still hear the soul of your voice.
Yan. Oh, so,
So,
good.
okay ka.
Good. So, okay ka.
Kasi, di ba, hindi naman kailangan topic nito yung style lang ng singing mo eh. You're sharing the soul from your voice.
Kumbaga, yung sinasabi mo, versatile ka, parang gano'n.
Yeah, like you're sharing kung ano yung boses mo and the soul from it. Kasi once na maging curious sila about your vocal or the soul that comes from your voice, then they will search you. Ano ba talaga yung music nito? Because something doesn't really match sa kinakanta niya, but we can see
Here na may something
may
siya.
something. So
Okay, okay.
it gives them
Sige,
curiosity
may question ako dyan.
Good.
sa kanila.